Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. So I was just thinking about something when I was like mixing up my protein shake and taking a few other little things that I take in the mornings. And I thought to myself, how many times have I ordered something or purchased something at a store and it didn't do what I wanted it to do? Like, it didn't give me the result that I wanted. And you reach out to customer service and they're like, well, I'm sorry, we had a 30-day money-back guarantee, or maybe if you're lucky, they might even have a 60-day money-back guarantee. And so you're like, well, I just spent that $40 or $50 or $60 or $100 or $150 on something that didn't work. Well, at Olive Tree people, if you use a product and you're not satisfied with it, you have up to 365 days to return it, empty bottle and all, no questions asked. Happy Thursday, guys.